Mercedes-Benz India had launched the new 2021 S-Class in June earlier this year. This launch was a highly anticipated one as the brand's flagship limousine sedan was now completely refreshed with a new design, inside out. The launch edition S-Class was priced at Rs 2.17 crore for the S400D and Rs 2.19 crore for the S450 petrol variant. Both the variants came through the CBU route in our country. However, with an overwhelming response from our Indian buyers, Mercedes-Benz decided to locally manufacture the S-Class here in India at their Chakan plant in Pune. That being said, with local manufacturing, the brand was able to bring down the prices of the S-Class, and now the price difference is enough for you to buy another E-Class with the amount saved. The diesel S350D saw a price drop of 60 lakh rupees and the petrol S450 4MATIC is now 55 lakh rupees cheaper than the imported CBU variant, and now the S350D is priced at rupees 1.57 crores and the S450 4MATIC is priced at Rs 1.62 crores at showroom. The new S350D replaces the S400D CBU unit, and along with the price drop, there is also a 44 horsepower drop that we need to settle with. The S350D gets the OM 656 inline-6 3-liter diesel engine producing 286 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque. The petrol variant gets the M256 inline-6 3-liter petrol engine producing 367 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. Do not even for a moment believe that with a 44 horsepower drop, the S350D is a slow car, as it still manages to accelerate from 0 to 100 km an hour in an impressive 5.4 seconds. The time is impressive considering the car weighs almost 2 tons. Similarly, the S450 4MATIC with its all-wheel drive grip manages to do an impressive time of 5.1 seconds. Both the variants have an electronically limited top speed of 250 km an hour. Mechanically, the S-Class also misses on the rear wheel steering, which came as a standard feature in the CBU Launch Edition model. On the inside, the new S-Class gets the latest MBUX software with fingerprint, voice, and facial recognition, which is a game changer for the segment as it lets each individual driver of the car create their own unique profile settings and access it as soon as you are seated in the driver's seat. Being an S-Class, it goes without saying that the seats get the massage system. And if you happen to be seated at the rear seats, well, you can cancel your spa membership and enjoy up to 10 different massage settings while watching Netflix and other OTT content on the rear screen entertainment package with the amazing 710-watt Burmeister 3D surround sound system. Mercedes-Benz has kept safety as one of its primary features in all of its products, as they plan on achieving their goal of on the road to accident-free driving. The S-Class gets a sophisticated Advanced Driver Assistance System ADAS with latest generation active assist features like brake assist, active blind spot assist, evasive steering assist, and a lot others. Before we talk more about the S-Class, here's a quick reminder for you viewers. If you like our content, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as it really makes a huge difference for us and motivates us to bring you more interesting automotive content every day. Moving back to the S-Class, on the outside, the S-Class gets sleeker new LED headlamps which automatically levels the lamp to reduce the glare for oncoming traffic. This is also an active safety feature. The LED tail lamps look futuristic with the design and come in with a split setup. The S-Class offers a seamless door handle which electrically extends when the driver approaches the car, reminding you of the flamboyant design each time you enter the car. On looking at the design of the alloy wheels, the S-Class gets a 19-inch multi-twin spoke alloy wheels as standard, and the wheels come in black color with a high sheen finish, sitting on a 255 and a low-profile 45mm tire setup. If you do not want to miss our content, please hit the bell button so that you are notified each time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more content coming up every day.